What's going on, you guys? Wow. Good morning, welcome back to the channel. So it's a little bit early. We actually are going to show up to R1 Concepts 20th anniversary. So super cool. They've been around for quite some time now, and we actually ended up getting sponsored by them not too long ago with the GR86, you guys. So we're gonna definitely go ahead and show some love and support to their new building today. We have about an hour and a half drive, so not too bad, but I don't think there's gonna be much people on the road. It's a Saturday morning. It's actually pretty nice out here and it's clear weather for once. Let's go ahead and get on the road and see what's up at this event, you guys. I think we're in the right place. Maybe not. You guys, I feel like I showed up to a different place. Oh wait, no, I think we're in the right spot. I was over here tripping, dude. I thought we showed up to somebody else's like Cars and Coffee or something. What's up, man? How you doing? It's either under Simmons or Desmond, first name. Oh, of course, man. The drive was actually nice. Where'd you come from? I came from, yeah, dude. I appreciate you. Yeah, of course, man. Well, that's your raffle ticket. Okay, cool. These are your meal tickets. Okay. All right. They even gave us some food tickets. That's cool. That's good, because I was over here like, yo, I'm freaking hungry. I need to eat this morning. That's the thing about doing some of these events like super early in the morning. It kind of is like, damn, dude. We don't even get a chance to eat or nothing like that. All right, guys, we got it all set up in the lineup right here. It actually got a little bit longer while we were kind of cleaning our car. I wanted to kind of show you guys a little bit something. So it's really supposed to go on the front today. So if you guys seen the last couple vlogs, we actually have been missing a couple things in the front, and I've been teasing it on my IG, and we finally got it. We got it here. The only problem is I don't have the hardware. I freaking left the hardware at AutoWorks SoCal when we were doing the harness, and as I was trying to put it on yesterday, well, I figured out we didn't have the hardware. So I just want to show you guys exactly how it looks. Dude, check this out. So essentially, you guys know how it should go, like so. Damn, dude, that looks freaking badass. And it freaking actually goes with the splitter too, which is actually pretty good. The weaves are actually really well done. So this is overlay. I was telling you guys before, and I was kind of skeptical about overlay because it doesn't really seem like it's as good as, you know, full carbon, but actually like it reinforced the whole thing. It's still pretty light and it looks really freaking good. So big shout out to my boy Carbon Mike for doing this for me. Definitely I'll leave his IG in the description down below for you guys to hit him up about literally almost anything. You guys literally can get this overlaid, or he can make you a legit full carbon piece. But I was so sad because I was so happy to throw this on. Like, it would have been so freaking cool with the carbon here and then the carbon on the side too. Later on, we're gonna be heading over to AutoWorks SoCal to get the hardware for this, and we'll throw it on later. So we'll see how it looks later. But I wanted to show you guys that because I was so sad about that. It is still pretty early. The event really doesn't start for a good amount of hours. So we're definitely gonna be trying to get some breakfast in the meantime and kind of just, oh, damn.
No, you're not. I don't know what you said, but
I'm hungry, bro.
Oh, me too.
I'm hungry, dude.
I'm going to Starbucks.
Oh, okay. That's,
you want Starbucks?
That's not food, though.
They have food.
Oh,
Grilled
okay.
cheese.
Oh, the grilled cheeses? That's like female food. That's like avocado and toast. Damn. This pulled up pretty quickly right after me, and I thought it was so freaking dope. There's a livery here. Oh, he's got a sign? Sheesh. Oh, he even has the lighting in there. Look at that. That lighting that is in there, that is not stock. That's cool. This is a nice Z. We see this all the time. My boy be winning all the time over here. Nice S2K. Damn. This be on the truck for sure. Such a nice Evo. The MKs, lightweight. Yeah, you're on the truck for sure. Little Subi action over here. Oh. Oh, yeah. Sheesh. Hey. Damn, bro, they just got here like already photo shoots. Look at that. Damn. Okay.
Hey, you shut your mouth.
So we got brought into the VIP section, all thanks to Miss Chiquita here, which is also a corner shot here. Oh my gosh, do you guys know what time it is?
It's shot o'clock,
It's
bitch.
shot. Oh, it is 10:45 in the morning.
Shot o'clock.
Oh my god.
This is how you know, because if you're Mexican, you're rocking with the tequila, you know? This is how you know when you and an Asian. Yeah,
Oh
when
my
you in the
God.
Asian.
Oh my god. Don't cancel my channel. Oh my. I don't put them up to this, I swear to you guys.
Putang ina mo.
Filipino, stop.
I know, that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. Putang ina mo Filipino, Duma Vietnamese.
Cheers, you guys.
Cheers.
That's literally on an empty stomach. But because they told me it's shot o'clock, I have to take it. Right?
Alright, another one.
Oh my, no. Dude, thanks so much, Paul. Appreciate you so much, man. Thank you so much. Look at this. Oh, that's so sick. Check that out, dude. That is so sick. 20 years. No, thank you, dude.
You know what they say, bro? Paul's just, we just cool guys.
No,
you know
not
what I'm
Paul though. You're Paul Square.
What happened?
You guys, we just kind of like walked over down from where we just were, from taking shots all the way down there, and I guess this is more like the ambassador area that they have. So this is pretty cool. Holy crap!
Yo, what's up? Is this energy calling? What's up?
Holy snap!
10
Hello?
cap.
Now I coco na you too.
Welcome to my daily life.
I told him I only like to try energy drinks that have like no sugar, but I will.
So this one.
Literally, honestly, that's really what it should be. But I will try one of these. Alright, you guys, so look, we're walking around the R1 building, and I'm pretty sure I'm not supposed to get too much of this, but I just wanted to show you, this is pretty cool. They're gonna be moving. I think they, from what I'm told, they have a couple different branches, and I think they're gonna be moving all of them to this new location. So it's super cool, right? You know, this is their 20th anniversary. They started in 2004, and they've honestly made a pretty good name for themselves. We are actually working with them on another level today, and that's so freaking cool. So it's pretty special that we're kind of being able to do all this stuff. I just thought it'd be cool to show you guys the amount of space is absolutely ginormous, and then they even have more past what we were at over there, so it's pretty crazy, honestly. That's freaking cool. I'm so excited for this.
Thanks, Daddy.
Yeah.
Daddy, thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
Thanks for your pita bread, Daddy.
Of course.
Thanks, Daddy.
Oh, I'm in trouble, damn.
Hell yeah, cheers.
I was just watching your food.
So, you guys won't believe it, but this is actually like my first time tried out like an acai bowl, and I didn't know that acai is an actual different type of fruit. I thought it was like, I don't know, mushed up like strawberries and berries put together, but it's its own fruit, and it's actually pretty damn good. I'm not gonna lie. Shout out Stephanie right here. Cause she pressed me. She was like, "You haven't had acai bowl?" I said, "No, whoa, hold on." She pressed me, dude. There was no way out of it. I had to go get it. So it's actually pretty good. Might start picking these up more. Okay, so look, you guys. This is my boy Carlo right here. I know. I just sprung the camera on him. Yeah. So this is Carlo right here. This is his Mark V Supra, which is so cool. If you guys take a look at it right here, he just debuted it for Adro with their new front bumper, along with like a bunch of their other products as well. Like I believe your wing is Adro as well, right? And then you also have like some of the diffuser right here, which is super cool. Side skirt. Yeah. So this is super cool. Right now, he's actually giving me the luxury of actually kind of going ahead and that feels so good, dude. The click on this. So we were talking about this steering wheel right here. Oh my god, that was like seconds. Oh my gosh. And it's not even that heavy, but it still has like a nice girth. This is so freaking cool.
Girth matters.
You heard him. Just the click, dude. Oh my gosh. Yeah, so it all has like the home buttons that you were able to use.
Oh, yeah.
No, this is super cool, man. I'm very happy for you because obviously I've seen like where it started and where it's at now. So definitely so cool, man. 45th anniversary right here. Oh, on my favorite wheels. Oh my gosh. This is so sick.
Open it. This.
Wait, hold on.
It's gonna go up.
No way.
Oh.
I was about to trip out.
About to trip out.
Oh my god. Dude, he has this. He still has a seal on it.
Look at the seats though.
Oh my god.
Wait, hold on.
It's carbon fiber.
Hold on. I'm pretty sure these don't belong here. But it looks like it does. Can you please explain that?
I had the idea.
Okay, all
I
right.
wasn't sure if it was going to work.
Right.
But after some repinning and stuff like that,
Right.
they run anywhere from like 10 grand to 12 grand.
Right.
and I got them.
This is so freaking cool, you guys. Is it like plug and play?
It's the OEM from the
Yeah,
M3 and it works.
I can switch it
Dude,
to white, to black,
do people even know about this?
They don't
Oh my
know.
gosh, look at this. This is so cool. It has a strap for the door. Oh, that's so sick. Limited to 900. Yeah, that looks really good. The strut tower bar is so freaking cool. And then you have this big intake right here, this carbon intake, right?
Yeah, it's all like even cherry.
That's so cool. Is it tuned?
Sorta, kinda.
Sorta,
It has
kinda.
a piggyback port.
This is a very, very nice car right here. Wow. All right, you guys. It's finally coming down towards the end of this R1 concept event. It was actually a pretty cool event, so I can't wait for them to throw even more. But let's go ahead and do a little bit of a montage of the cars that are still here. Some I left, but there's some cool ones that are still here. So, you guys ready? So I guess we won. That's wild. Yeah, I guess we won. That was super unexpected. Really freaking cool though. I guess we got a big break in, so that's actually amazing. As you can see from my smile here, I'm like, what? No way. So cool, dude. I just got a call from Paul. He's like, where are you?
Congratulations.
Thank you, bro. He's like, where are you, man? He's like, they're at the front. You know, they're calling you for a big break kit. I was like, stop lying, dude. You're trying to make me feel good. He's like, no, I'm being serious. So that's why. Just got my information down. We're gonna figure out sizing and everything for the big break kit. So super cool. It's honestly, I feel like, man, it was just really cool. Kind of. Dude, I thought he was pranking me. Bro, stop lying, man. He's like, I'm gonna take it then. Thank you, bro. They were all looking for me as we were looking at the Supra and stuff. So super cool, man. Shout out R1 Concepts. Like I said, I'm pretty sure they're gonna be having a lot more of these. They definitely have a ton of space to do things of the sort. So yeah, can't wait for the next stuff. We secured a big brake kit. Oh my god, this is wild.
Yo! That big brake kit, is it still available? I'm Desmond Simmons. That big brake kit, I'm Desmond Simmons. Can't get no creases on the dunk.
I was like, bro, straight up ignoring my call.
No,
Like,
Nah,
because
dude,
I was on the phone with him.
it was
I on the
domino
phone.
effect, bro. You called him, he was calling me.
Yeah.
Oh
You were
my
calling me,
gosh.
I'm calling him. I was like, run to the DJ booth. If not, I'm gonna pretend to be you. Run. I was like, run. And he was like, nah.
Hey,
That's
look,
why.
big shout out to all these guys for helping me out. You
I
know
was
what
like,
I mean?
I heard the DJ say we're giving it to someone else. I was like, bro, if you
Oh
don't
my
fucking run
gosh,
over there right
dude.
now, bro.
I was like, yeah, that guy, give it to me.
Finally got back home. Actually, it's the next day, and I ended up picking up the hardware. Good thing that Alex was at the shop today. So we picked up the hardware. I had to get my light, but check this out. Oh man, it looks so freaking dope on there. It like right now, obviously with the camera and the light, it's not really doing it justice, but in person, dang. I will say I kind of had to like get rid of some like washers and stuff. Like as you guys can see here, there was washers here before. I had to kind of get rid of those because obviously it's overlaid, right? It kind of has a little bit more like thickness to it, and because of that, you know, I kind of had to like, I guess, make a little bit more space, if that makes sense. I mean, it still worked out. I was a little skeptical because I was like, dang, hopefully it's not like too many layers to where it wasn't gonna fit, because it was pretty darn close. I got it to work. So big shout out to my boy Carbon Mike for helping us out with that and actually getting it to us like on time as he promised. Like I said, you guys could hit him up for other stuff as well. It's getting a little dark, so I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog here, you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I was so glad that I ended up going to R1 Concepts and we got that big brake kit, you guys, and just unexpected and so freaking cool. So I'm excited for that. Make sure you guys stick around for that as well. If this is you guys' first time to the channel, please be sure to like and subscribe, you guys. We are growing, and we are trying to still figure out that tail light harness. So if you've been on that journey, well, it's not over yet. So make sure you guys live long and prosper, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.